This is the final reveal of the TAMIYA Jeep from World War II, and I'm really pleased how it come out. I haven't weathered it, was going to, but I thought myself I'll leave it because I'm thinking about having a vignette with this later on, and I will show that as a separate when it's finished. But here we go. But we're on with the LCA at the moment still, and I'm between computers now because basically I'm finishing up emptying my PC, Windows PC. I've going over to Mac. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's the reason for the little delays at the moment. I've just emptied my main computer of all the files except for the one for updating this video, and then next one will be done on the Mac. Now there you go. You can see that the chrome inside the headlights really looks nice up behind the glass. It does actually shine up a little bit. I've got one little bit of problem down in the corner with glue. It's not massive, so you can only barely see it. Could be a stain that went on the window. So, but once I've weathered that as well, when I do the vignette, that would be that'd be more or less completely visible. Right, but here we go. So we'll take this off, and there you go. Oh, look at that, I've just seen a bit of brass. I've got to put a bit of black on now. I didn't notice that. So there's a bit of brass shining, you can see it, but it doesn't matter. I can actually put a bit of black on that semi-gloss. But there you go, that's about the actual engine. I think it looks quite nice. It's not wired. Well, it is wired actually, because I put the PE wires in for the plug leads and everything, so it is actually got a bit of wire in there, but not completely like I could have done. I've got the 1/16 version of this, and I'm looking forward to that now after doing this one. I do like the Jeep, it's a nice looking vehicle as well, so I'm going to put that back on, and I'll swing it round. Really pleased with it. Radio's face is black, as you can see. I did that and then dry brushed a little bit inside there with another shade of black. Looks okay. I'm going to put it. I will when I do the vignette. That's when I add the headphones and stuff for the radio bloke to actually talk to. But there is a wire goes from the aerial round. It goes in behind. I think you might just see it, but it's on the back wall. It goes round, comes through in. So quite pleased with that. I'll go down lower in a minute. There's the aerial that comes in and out. I've done that, left it like that because if you turn it upside down it doesn't drop it, but you can actually pull it out. Now you can see all the lights. They've been done with the TAMIYA clear, dropped in there and let it actually sit there. Same with the side ones. I think the shovels look quite nice with those straps on that I put on. I think that looks much better than the actual moulded bits, so it works out really well. And whoops, it's coming out of it. Let's go there. And yeah, so right, what I'm going to do now is go down lower now, so I should switch off and come back in a couple of seconds. Right, as you can see, I've dropped the windscreen down, and so it's on the flat on the engine on the bonnet, so that's okay. So we come around now. Might see a bit more glare of the old headlights in a minute. And there you go. They do look glossy. When I look at them I can see a really nice shine. I think you can just about pick it out. There you go. There you go. I'll leave it at that. So that's the end of this build, apart from putting it on a vignette later on. Really chuffed. I'm quite happy with it considering how small the vehicle is. It looks nice. And that's it. So I'll catch you in the next update of the LCR. Hey, once I do it, I might not be working on it for a couple of days because of the fact I'm sorting out my Mac next. It's a Mac Mini 4. So I think that's it. It's called it. Is it Max 4 Mini? That's it. Max 4 Mini. That's it. That's what it's called. So really pleased with that. How that's going to be going, and then be on something new, and it's something new to learn as well. So There you go then. Right then, here we go then. Happy modelling everyone, and stay safe in this funny old world. Catch you later.